Welcome. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me about a year after filming this super professional looking footage of me entering the hallway of our old house. I wanted to hop in here to welcome you to this channel, but also to clarify a few things because, as I said, this footage was filmed a year ago. This is literally when we had to hand over our old house. I found a bit of time to walk through the house and film it for you guys, partly for you, partly also for me, but I filmed it and now I want to share it with you, and this is going to kick off the little series of moving and showing you also bits and pieces of this current house where we're living in. For those of you who just popped in here, we've been on a roller coaster. After handing our house over, we actually moved to a hotel where we stayed for 4 months before we moved in here. This is our like hopefully forever home, but this is what the fuss has been going on about. We moved in here, but it was still in full construction. It still is, it's not entirely finished, but we're already like way ahead of where we were 6 months ago. But just to clarify, you will be seeing a bunch of old vlogs that are going to show you our transition, things that have happened and all that stuff. And this house tour hopefully is interesting to you, especially if you live in another country. I think it's always interesting to see how houses are built abroad. So this is a house in Belgium and we lived in that house for 11 years. 11 years. Whereas we thought it's gonna be no more than 2, max 3. This was the goal when we moved in there. So you see, life is unexpected, but you have to make the best out of it. So I hope you enjoy this video. 2 disclaimers. Please apologize, the video quality could have done better, but can't go and change it now. And second, if you want to play a drinking game, you may do so every time I say the word little. Okay, I hope you enjoy. Let's get going. Welcome to the hallway. This is just us moving. We are running back and forth to get everything done. These are really the very last bits. You will hear that the entire house echoes, but let's go through it. Here on the left, we have like a little den, some built-in closets over there, and a lot of carton that needs to go away. And then when we go in here, then we come into the living room. Oh, what an echo. So this was it, you guys. This is where we spent so much time. And now it just looks like a little abandoned place. I still need to pick this up. This is for the cats. I remember when we moved in here, we were just sleeping on a mattress over there. Please do ignore the dirt. Literally, those are candy papers that my daughter had hidden in the couch. And here we have a little something of the new house, some color matching going on. But yeah, this is where we slept. We had just a mattress there. And then the new owners have built like a gas fire, but we had like a classical stove without this thing there. We just had a nice fireplace. And yeah, this is where we spent our time. It feels so weird. Like I said, we never meant to be here for as long as we were. So if we had stayed longer, we would have definitely changed the floor. We would have done something with this because this is really, really old. But it was good for the time we were here. And then, yeah, this is kind of how it looks like. So weird. I'm happy. Oh, please do ignore these very tacky flowers. I decided it was a great idea to do that when I was hormonal at some point after giving birth. And then I covered it, or then I like blocked it with a bookshelf. And then this is the kitchen. I'm still amidst cleaning up, so like literally the last bits and pieces, but this is how it is. This is a very realistic house tour. There's mess, there's nothing I can do about it. I'm currently defrosting the freezer. I have cleaned up the fridge because I feel new people deserve to have a fresh start, and I have cleaned up everything here. And then when we go over here, and we have a laundry room over here. This is something that, again, if we would have stayed here forever, or kind of like forever, because you never know, I would have definitely tackled it, because it's not my style, these bluish cupboards. And yeah, this was it. And then over there we have a garage, but this is really not interesting. It's filled with stuff that we have to bring away. And over here we had 3 bar stools, and when we got the cats, we just had one of the litter boxes over there. So this is it. This is it. I'm gonna miss my juicer when we're at the hotel. And then over there, well, I didn't know the door would be open. We have a toilet, and then we have a little sink over here with a mirror. And then we have a little basement with some wine. And now we're gonna head upstairs. Everything is just so dirty. This is where I'm sorting out things. So those are the things that I'm going to need soon. Then those are my lights. I need to take those with me as well. And then over here is one of the bedrooms. And then this is my daughter's bedroom. And again, I'm sorry, there's a lot of echo, but I put some tacky stickers on the wall when I was expecting her, because we thought we were not going to live here for too long, so we didn't want to make too many changes. But yeah, this is pretty much where she grew up. Well, and now I do have to put the unflattering lights on. Here is a bathroom with a bath. And then we have some built-ins over here. And then we have probably my favorite room of the entire house. It was my dream as a teenager to have a room like this, with a window like that, so much privacy. This is where I filmed a lot of my videos in the beginning. And then we have a little bathroom over here. Hey, hello. So that is it. This is currently, well, currently not anymore. We use it as a guest room, basically. And then when we go over there, by the way, I'm not farting. We have a toilet over there, but I don't think it's interesting. And then the master bedroom. This is where I spend so much time. I can't believe that it's all empty. I cannot believe this. And then this is the walk-in, which I feel was never organized. So I wish the new people loads of success. By the way, if you're thinking I'm farting throughout the video, I'm not. Those are my Timberlands. And then this is our bathroom, or was our bathroom. Yeah, good times, good times. And I have emptied everything. And I've left a few stains, but yes, this is it. This is pretty much it. That was it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do want to follow more home content and house updates and where we live now and all of that good stuff, definitely make sure to subscribe down below. There will be handbag videos thrown in here into the mixer as well. Like I said, a few older vlogs will be coming up as well, so that you can keep up with what's been going on. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you again next time. Bye!